Got them plugged up.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are headed out to Dover shop. I think they've made some pretty good progress on Corey's car. I haven't been able to make it out there. As you've seen in the last video, it's been kind of a hectic week with the daughter's graduation and everything, but I'm going out there today to check it out, and I believe they've got pretty good progress on Corey's car, so we're going to check that out and see what's going on with the strawberry car also. So we'll see you out there. Alright guys, so we are out here and somebody is here in a silver New Edge, which is pretty clean. Dang. Alright, so let's get in here and check out what's going on. So man, y'all are making progress on this car. The engine's in, the headers finally come in.
We're gonna race them out.
We're gonna race today?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, I think they're doing the fuel system back here. Yep, he's getting the fuel system all ready back here. And he's got the adapters and everything for the AN, and then gonna run the fuel line straight up. What fuel pump did he go with, Dover?
340 air motive.
340 air motive. That's right, because he's running E85 on this.
Yeah.
All right, and the strawberry car, I know you guys are interested in what's going on with it. It is, looks like he's getting the brake lines and everything ran on it. So that's what they're doing with it. And they actually got it running better, guys. It had a, this engine actually came out of a wrecked vehicle, and they kept messing with it, and finally they unbolted the intake manifold off of it and found that the intake manifold had a crack in it, so it was seeping in air and causing a lot of running issues. But they got that fixed now, so once they get the brake lines fixed and everything, it should be going to Daryl get some tuning. Of course, you got Lee's car over here. It is coming along very nicely. All right, so we are about to go grab some parts we need to go on Corey's car. We're trying to get this thing fired up today, so stay tuned. All right, so we are about to fire this thing up for the first time.
Come back here now. Disintegrate. Have it plugged up.
Here we go.
You died, don't you?
There we go. All right.
One more time, huh?
No, we got our first fire though, so we know everything's good, so we can finish her up.
Look at him, he happy. He happy.
He's happy now.
The computer couldn't figure it out because she was like, hey, wait, that ain't that old 302.
Yeah.
The old Wengerd was in there.
Last time just do fine tune everything.
Now you gotta get the radiator in, gotta get everything buttoned up.
Ain't that too black?
Get it to Daryl, let him tune it.
I'm gonna leave it the color it is.
You gonna leave that the color it is and you ain't gonna paint it black?
One more time?
Yeah, we can do it one more
One more
time.
time. Touch and buff. I'll hold this right here.
There we go.
Ripping the tire up.
Woo! Won't be long, we'll be lifting the tires at the track.
Trans brake. Here we go.
Just button it up and then be ready to go. Got some more wiring to do. That's not gonna stay that way, guys. That's just temporary right now. But yeah, some more stuff to do and this thing will be rolling down the track. You happy, man?
Excited. It's awesome. Best feeling in the world.
You gonna say you gonna leave that?
Leave it.
Alex got this and he painted it and realized they sent him the wrong intake, so it's for a Boss 302. He didn't have a Boss 302 on the strawberry car. Yeah, so it's awesome. And then we're gonna fire up the strawberry car. It's running a lot better now. All right, guys, real quick before we fire up this car, should he go open exhaust, no muffler on this? It's a race car, no muffler, open exhaust.
Flow master.
Oh, that's much better than it was the other day. Oh yeah.
I like it.
Golly.
That's awesome.
All right, so we're gonna try something, guys. We've got the bullet mufflers and we've got them straight into the header. We're gonna see what it sounds like.
Wait, man, you ain't cranky yet, huh? We did quieten it down a lot, didn't it?
Yeah, I quieted it down a lot.
With X pipe.
I say put an X pipe with those and turn downs and call it a day.
Yep.
That sounds good.
All right, so that's gonna wrap this video up. Hopefully this week sometime you'll have another video out from me of both of these cars on the road. That's what we're hoping for, guys. So stay tuned. But if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.